I'm literally shaking right now. Shaking. It has been, I don't know, 12 years? 12 years. Oh man, I gotta stop doing that. I gotta adjust the peg too. It's been 12 years, guys. 12 years since this motorcycle has seen more than 5 miles on the road. I'm up to 4.5 in one day. Like, I mean, this has been like emotional as all hell for me today. Oh man, I can't even, I can't speak right, I know that much, but like, how you doing? Thank you. Sorry everybody for making noise at your whatever gathering this is. It looks nice though. I don't know. I just want to go home and wake up from this dream right now. So for those of you who haven't been with the channel, haven't been following me, hi, I'm Zanrith. You clicked on this video because you wanted a coherent, thought out speech from me, or you wanted to see me do something. That is the fluffiest dog I've ever seen. This is what the whole video is going to be. It's a thumbnail. It says fluffy dog. Try me, I'll do it. Oh, hi pup. Sorry, I know it's loud and annoying. It's a bike. So I don't know where I'm at because I'm seriously just overwhelmed right now with what's going on. I am on my 1982 Yamaha XS650SJ. And like I've been saying, and not so elegantly so, and I don't even know if that's the right word, elegantly? Yeah, elegantly, eloquently, whatever. Words don't matter today. This hasn't run in 12 years, like this. I mean, it's run, but like sputtering, kicking, sputting, blah, 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 and gone around the block and died, and started up and leaked oil, and started up and leaked, and I think I'm still leaking a teeny bit of oil right now, which I'm gonna just deal with because I'm gonna look at it, but I'm gonna ride around a bit more and try to get some more miles and some more testing in this thing before I turn in to fix that, because it's like a teeny little spot of oil I see. It's been too long. I bought this bike, wow, 2007, 2008, 2000 something, early, middle, late, I don't know, 2008 let's say, and it's 2021. This bike ran for year and a half rough. It was very rough. I was told it's in great working condition. I didn't know anything about bikes. I barely knew how to change my spark plugs and change my oil at that time in my life. And here I am today telling you that the only reason I'm on this motorcycle, which I'm probably in love with the most out of all motorcycles right now, and I realized that 2 of my motorcycles are sitting outside of the garage and I should go back and put them away. Wow, YouTube, I'm sorry, this is gonna be a crap video. Yeah, so this is, yeah, this bike ran for a year and a half, maybe 2 if I'm lucky to say so. And I started riding on this when I was 19. So maybe that would be the better way to figure out how long it's been running, by going backwards in time and doing some math, which I don't want to do. But the engine, the head on this bike cracked. And I mean, it was hissing, it was sputtering, we couldn't figure out what was going on. Then we saw this giant gash in the metal, and that was it. The bike was SOL. The worst part was, about a month or 2 after this bike decided to blow an engine on me, which was unfortunate. I went back to college. So I went back to college and could no longer maintain my motorcycle, which at the time was my mother's. I bought this for my mother originally, and it was way too heavy for her, which, understandable. It's a pretty beefy bike compared to her her Honda Rebel 250. So over the years, I have pulled the engine out. I have replaced the head. Is it the top part of the head that cracked? I think it's the top part of the head that cracked. And I've replaced the gaskets, I've replaced seals, I've replaced X, Y, Z, you name it, it's been replaced on this thing. And today, I'm riding it. I am almost to downtown Buffalo. She's got 10 miles. Okay, I think I started it at 4.5, so let's just say I've got We got 5 miles in already, and it's never run stronger. I've never gotten it up to 30 miles. No, I probably have gotten up 30 miles an hour. I haven't gotten it much faster than this, to be honest. It's just never seen it, because it's just never run right. So I've replaced XYZ. I replaced the head once. I cut the camshaft chain, which was a big mistake by me, because after I cut it, I realized that I didn't do the timing right, so I had to then take the engine apart again. And I don't like these brakes compared to my other bikes. And then I had to do a few other things again, because I had actually just completely messed them up. No one's going? Oh. And there we go. I may have run her out of gas. She's temperamental, guys. She's temperamental. Okay, she's fired back up. So I literally just messed up and stalled her myself. Uh-oh. I was just giving all your praises. Don't f with me. And we're back. So I'm not sure how I'm going to edit this video yet, because I'm still super excited from the first things that have happened with this bike. The latest development literally just happened. Do I want to go left or I'm going to go, let's go back home for a second. Just wait, I don't know. Let's go away from home. Let's go around again. So the latest development in this bike is I ran out of fuel. Why, you may ask? Because I'm too excited to forget to turn the damn tank to reserves. That's all it needed. It had fuel. It fired up. I pushed it a block to the gas station, and then sitting there sweating because it's nice and cool out today. We'll go once more around the block. Big block. I realized that there's a reserve on the tank, and I didn't use that because I'm a genius. Let's go play with Scooter Boy. Don't do that, dude. Do U-turns. Yeah, you're doing a U-turn. I'm doing a Panama. So yeah, I totally forgot to put the bike on reserve for fuel. So here we are, back again, riding in Buffalo, and I'm gonna go back this way, probably around the park or something. But I realized shortly before I lost all my fuel, or lost all my power in my bike here and couldn't go anywhere, that I was leaving two motorcycles outside right now in front of my garage, and it's secluded enough, but I want to ride this for all night. I want to ride this thing until I love it again, which I want to ride it probably until I run out of fuel again. I don't know. I want to ride this bike for a while right now, and having two bikes out in the driveway or out in front of the garage is not the greatest place for them, and I want to adjust something on the bike. The shift lever seems extremely too high for me. It might be because I'm in sneakers, not boots, but I just feel like I really got to pull up on it. And for now, and maybe forever, we'll see, I'm going to I'm going to adjust the shift lever so it's down a bit. I don't know how far down, but down a bit. Just help with right now with the not nervousness, but just the first day jitters, the amazingness of having my bike back. I don't know what else to call it. The thrill. Okay, so notes to myself and to obviously you guys for this bike as I squeak like a prepubescent little YouTuber. I gotta check the air on the tires. I know it's got air in it, but they are old tires too. This is probably not the greatest idea to be riding around on them right now. There's a gas station up ahead. Maybe I can pull over in there, but I don't have any cash. So check the tires, obviously. What else? Keep monitoring the oil drip, which I don't see an oil drip anymore. So either I don't have an oil drip and it was just residue from before when I had an oil drip, or what else could it be? Or it just kind of let off by itself. Yeah, so we're gonna keep checking the oil drip. We're gonna check for a fuel leak. We're gonna hit that marker, which I missed. And we're going to, what else are we going to do? We're going to monitor the idle. She seems strong right now, so, oh, minus the. Nice job, dude. Text us. do. We gotta give her a good cleaning. Look at the pod filters, make sure they're clean. I gotta duct tape the foot grip on the left side or something until I can find replacement ones, but I want to keep riding it because it's so nice. We should double check, triple check, quadruple check the oil level. I checked it last week, it was fine. I haven't seen any drips for a week, or for well more than a week, but it also hasn't been warmed up very well, so that's why we're going to check for the oil leak too. It's just a precautionary things of things I found. We should check the chain tension for the rear. I believe I had it right, but it's been so long, we should just go through it one more time. Definitely check the year on the on the tires, as the tires are definitely old. I don't know how old, but definitely old, so we'll probably need new ones. We should really adjust these mirrors so they're actually useful. Maybe put the oh, you sputtered there, what was that for? Maybe put the handle, the grips down a bit so they're not reaching up so high. Like this one seems really high, which if I adjust this will also adjust the mirror. So I think that might be my only problem, is this brake lever seems really high compared to the clutch. We should check the clutch slack. I've got some, but we should see what the spec is. It seems like it might be a little much. Normally I think it's like a nickel sized instead of, oh, me, instead of whatever I've got now, which is like 1/4 of an inch or something. Okay, we got to check the headlight. Once I saw the headlight over there. Okay, we've got a headlight. That's good because I put the fuse back in. We should check what else on this thing. So many things to check. Let's think.
By a lot of things to check, I mean I trailed off at the end of the video here. So everybody ride safe. Catch you next time.